Are you tired of messy Salesforce data with duplicate accounts you just cannot seem to delete? You know the ones. Old test records, outdated clients, things that just clog up your view and make it harder to find what you actually need. And maybe you have held off because you are worried about losing something important. I get it. In this tutorial, I will show you the exact 4-click method to remove those accounts safely. We will walk through navigating to the Accounts tab, selecting the right record, and confirming the deletion. No guesswork, no accidental data loss, just a clean, repeatable process. All right, let us jump right in. Start by making sure you are on the main Accounts list view in Salesforce. This is your starting point. You can usually find it in the navigation bar at the top of your screen. The tab is simply labeled Accounts. Go ahead and click that. Once you do, you will see your list of all your accounts. Now, this next part is where you want to be careful. Locate the specific account you need to delete. Do not rush this. You want to make absolutely sure you have the right one. Once you have found it, look all the way to the far right of that account row. You will see a small drop-down arrow. It's a little arrow pointing down. Go ahead and click that arrow. A menu will pop up with several options. You will see things like Edit, Clone, and maybe even Convert. But the one we are here for is Delete. It's usually towards the bottom of that menu, and it is often highlighted in red. Just click that Delete option. And here is the really important part. Salesforce is not going to let you accidentally delete something without giving you a second chance. A confirmation dialog box will appear on your screen. It will ask if you are sure. You will see the account name displayed and a warning that this action cannot be undone. Do not panic. That is normal. Just click that delete button again to finalize it. Give it just a moment to process. Salesforce is working behind the scenes to remove that record and all of its associated data from your active view. It usually happens pretty quickly. So now that we have done that, let us verify the deletion was successful. You should see your list refresh automatically. Look for the account you just deleted. It should be gone. If your list is long, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly confirm. Type in the account name and hit Enter. If nothing comes up, you are good to go. The account is deleted. But what if you made a mistake? What if you deleted the wrong account? Do not worry. I have tested this myself countless times, and there is a safety net. Look in the left-hand navigation menu for an option called Recycle Bin. Click that. You will see a list of recently deleted records. Find the account you want back and click the Restore button next to it. It is that simple. Just remember, items in the recycle bin do not stay there forever. They are automatically cleaned out after a certain period, so undo a mistake quickly. Before you run off and start cleaning house, here is a quick best practices recap. Deleting is perfect for test accounts, old duplicates, or records that have no value to your business anymore. But if an account has important data you want to keep, like closed opportunities or open cases, you might want to think about merging instead of deleting. Merging combines them into one clean record without losing any of that history. So there you have it, a straightforward, repeatable process to clean up your Salesforce data with confidence. You have got this.